Welcome to Hospitality School.
If you want to be a successful hotel housekeeping professional, we highly recommend you to watch this video very carefully. Introducing Hotel Housekeeping Training Manual with 150 SOP by HospitalitySchool.com. Hotel Housekeeping Training Manual with 150 SOP is written by Hotelier Tanji and writing team of www.hospitalityschool.com. Hotelier Tanji is the owner of HospitalitySchool.com, which is world's most popular free hospitality and restaurant management training blog. Let's learn why you need this. Feature 1. It is a comprehensive collection of some must-read hotel and restaurant housekeeping management training tutorials. Feature 2. 150 industry standard and professionally written housekeeping SOP collection. Feature 3. 156-page full of content. Feature 4. A to Z hotel housekeeping standard operating procedure solution. Feature 5. As usual, written in easy plain English. A perfect choice for non-native English-speaking hotel and restaurant staffs. Feature 6. Self-study training guide. Just read to learn. Feature 7. Comes in big page. 11 by 8.5 size page. Feature 8. Comes in all three versions, ebook, paperback and Kindle. Feature 9. Priced is kept low especially for students. Our readers have spoken. What else can I say? The best training manual in its category. Why are you waiting? Grab your copy now. Download preview copy. Visit our website www.hospitalityschool.com/training-manuals/housekeeping. First visit our website hospitalityschool.com. And from Training Manual menu, select Housekeeping. And then click on Buy Now button. You can pay through PayPal. It is very easy. So take action right now. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.